It is advantageous when a company does not alter its philosophy. Devon&Devon traditionally provides a wider range of classic solutions for the bathroom, well, naturally with a touch of modernity included, and showcases them in a total of 4 bathrooms. The first one is in a more non-classical style, and here the main novelty is the flare furniture composition, which is a combination of open and closed storage. In general, this is quite trendy. The main novelty here, in my opinion, is the mirrored cabinet. This is the first time Devon has made such a product. This is definitely very convenient because it also has both open and closed storage. Well, and this is additional storage. But otherwise, the functionality of a regular mirror, which is undoubtedly very important to have in the bathroom, particularly if it has lighting, and the lighting here is provided by separate fixtures. In general, it should be said that Devon is always a comprehensive solution for the bathroom, including furniture, accessories, and faience. And in this case, the faience is presented in a suspended version because despite the classic design, modern trends have not been cancelled. The same is applicable to the color trend. The long-known Hollywood bath is showcased here in a matte finish and in a deep shade of navy blue, creating a visually striking and luxurious aesthetic. Perhaps also in glossy. The trend for a barrier-free environment is implemented, including once again in the classic aesthetics of shower enclosures. This option now available at Devon&Devon. The whole composition united by 20s mixes inspired by aesthetics. In the 20s, this collection created with participation of architectural studio Gensler and received a design award last year for its well-deserved excellence. Devon feels great and in hospitality industry projects. And here is shown exactly such a situation, which is presented in the form of 2 noble consoles and separately standing daft baths made of composite. Moreover, it is not just a composite, but a special environmentally certified one. Therefore, once again, it is absolutely perfect for excellent hotel projects of any scale. The new feature this year is the small sink Jolie, which aligns with another key trend for compact luxury. It will be suitable for small bathrooms in small apartments in cities such as Paris, but it can also be used in any other city where it is needed. Naturally, the finishes can be different, but in this case, this brushed brass looks quite good against the mosaic background. Well, by the way, noble consoles. Additionally, it looks great when placed against the background of slabs from the Mysterious Gardens collection. In this instance, we have Gardens of Dreams or Dreams Gardens invented by Marcel Wanders. By the way, it is not required to cover all the walls with these gardens. You have the option to create such tidy flower beds. The third situation is accountable for the aesthetics of Art Deco and is also showcased as a novelty of the Metropolitan Collection, contributing to its overall appeal. Her inspiration came from the works of Piero Portaluppi and the design of small objects that emerged in the 1920s and 1930s of the previous century. This is a tall building, radio receiver, and for instance, DuPont lighters. In general, here a multitude of diverse aesthetics merged, and as a consequence, such an extraordinary, expressive object with highly uncommon facades emerged. At the same time, here the composition is presented in a monochrome finish. That is, it is a deep anthracite shade of glossy lacquer, and it can also be a combination, then it will look a little more elegant. Perhaps a combination of lacquer and white flutings, potentially even utilizing natural polished brass for a unique and elegant aesthetic. In general, there are plenty of options, just like there are plenty of options for organizing the soul. Again, a fairly compact loft-style shower, perhaps a shower pipe, that is a shower system mounted externally, or you may have a preference for a built-in one. Devon has absolutely any variations. By the way, as for the Mysterious Gardens of Marcel Wanders, here is presented a few inverted design blossoms. That is, it can be said, a little bit in the negative. At the same time, it is also feasible to utilize it as wallpaper or as ceramic slabs for a variety of applications. And also the toilet table from Marcel Wanderson, made in a deep monochrome color, looks brand new. In such a rich shade, but naturally the signature silhouette and the famous pen in the form of a clown's nose are definitely present in this particular design. And the fourth situation is the aesthetics that is primarily associated with the Devon&Devon brand. This is an English classic presented in the form of well-known shells étoiles. However, in combination with modern accessories invented by Massimo Yozzogini, it is called kalos, giving it a contemporary twist while maintaining its timeless charm. In my opinion, it is of utmost importance that a modern classical bathroom has the capability to incorporate various aesthetics and essentially represent a completely new interpretation of what seems to us amazingly familiar and yet remarkably innovative in its approach.